Yes, good morning, all of you. So today we will start with our chapter, that is chapter 8, wind, storms and cyclones. Today we need to discuss question answer, our exercise question. So just see what first question of our NCERT book. First question is here. Fill the missing word in the blank spaces in the following statements. So first fill up is wind is dash air. Okay, so wind is dash air. Wind is moving air. We know that when moving air, it is known as wind. So the fill up of first one is moving air is known as wind. Okay, now see the next one. Winds are generated due to dash hitting on the earth. So winds are generated because of the uneven hitting. So answer for the second fill up is uneven hitting on the earth. See, third one. Near the earth's surface, warm air rises up, whereas cold air comes down. So, you know it very well that when the air gets heated, when the warm air is there, warm air, it always rises up. And cold air, it take its place. So, warm air rise up and cooler air, cold air, take its place. Okay, for the fourth one, just mark your answer as air moves from region of dash pressure to the region of dash pressure. So just mark it in your books that the region of high pressure, high air pressure to a region of low air pressure. Just mark it there. Fill up there in your books. Yes, question number second. Just have a look what the question number second is. Suggest two methods to find out wind direction at a given place. Means if you are at a given place and you have to find out the wind direction, that in which direction the wind is flowing. So how you can find it out? One option we can have, we can take a piece of paper or a piece of cloth in our hand. Okay, you can take a piece of paper or you can take a piece of cloth. Then allow it fall from your hand. It will flow in the direction in which wind is blowing. Okay, so easily you can know that in which direction wind is blowing. Okay, you can also get it know by the by seeing in which direction the dry leaves are blowing flowing. By that option also you can see it. Okay, and with the help of wind pane also, with the help of wind pane, we also get it know what is the accurate wind direction. Okay, so any of the methods you know you can write in the question number second. Question number third. State two experiences that made you think that the air exerts pressure. So any of the two experiences you have experienced in your day-to-day life, you can write it down. Okay, for example, in the chapter also we have discussed that balls and balloons. Okay, when we are inflated it them with the air. Okay, when we are inflating the balloons. Okay, so when it is overfilled, what happens? It bursts because of the excessive air pressure. So we can say that air exerts pressure. Okay, same when we are seeing in our houses also that because of the winds, curtains, doors, windows, they are moving. Okay, they are moving in the direction of the wind. Okay, by this example also we can demonstrate that air exerts pressure. In this question also you can write any of the experience. Okay, whatever you are experiencing in your day-to-day life, you can write those experiences. Question number 4. You want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having windows but no ventilators? Explain your answer. Okay, if you want to buy a house, अगर आपको एक घर खरीदना है and no ventilators are there, so would you buy it? So we know it very well that ventilators, they are very good for our health also, because without ventilation, there is not a proper circulation of air. Okay, so it is not a good idea. If we are buying a house without ventilators, it is not a good idea. Okay, because warm air, it is lighter than the cold air. And if ventilators are there, then with the help of ventilators, warm air passes out and cold air, it enters in our house. Okay. And if no ventilators are there, then there is no passing of the warm air and our house will remain warm. That's why, that is the reason there should be ventilators in our houses. Question number 5. Explain why holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings. Okay, whenever you have seen the hanging or banners, what you observe there, if you have not observed, just see them carefully, that there are holes in the banners. Okay, the banners, when you see any banner, there are many holes there. So why holes made in them? So the reason is because air exerts pressure. Because air exerts pressure. So due to this pressure, what happens? The banners and the hoardings, what they do, they flutter. Okay, and if the wind is blowing faster, they will tone. So what we do, we are making holes there. Okay, what we are doing, we are moving holes, making holes there. We are making holes in the hoardings and the banners, so that what happens, the wind can easily pass through them. Okay, so that the wind can easily pass through them and they do not become loose and fall down. Okay, if we do not made holes, what happens? Because of the air pressure, because of the pressure of the wind, they will tone. That is the reason we are making holes in them. Yes, now see the next question, question number 6. How will you help your neighbors in case cyclone approaching to your village and town? Okay, all the steps, all the precautions taken care by us, we can write it there. Okay, what we can do, how we can help others, we can help them to shift in the safer places. Okay, to arrange the necessary household, to provide them the vehicles, helping in shifting their animals, calling of the emergency services like fire station, police, medical centers. So many of the help we can do, give to our neighbors also. Okay, if someone is in danger, some problem is there, so we have to keep us safe also, and we have to help them also. Okay, so whenever some problem is there, whenever some this type of disaster is there, we have to help others also. Yes, now see next question, question number 7. What planning is required in advance to deal with the situation created by the cyclone? Okay, if know that the cyclone is approaching, what points we should take care? Okay, what planning we have to make? So what we can do, we should not ignore the warning. Whatever the warning are issued by the meteorological department with the help of TV, radio, or newspaper, we should not ignore them. Okay, whatever the necessary arrangements are there, we should do. Okay, we should not drive through the roads where the standing water is there. Okay, because the flood may have damaged the road. Okay, it may be harmful for us. We should take care of all the emergency numbers. We should save them for our use. Okay, and we know it very well that when floods are there, the water can be get contaminated. So we should store drinking water for emergencies. Okay, if the you can say power lines are fallen or the switches are wet, we should not touch them. Okay, we should not pressurize the rescue force by making the undue demands, because they have to take care of all of us. Okay, so we do not pressurize them. Then we should cooperate. Always we should cooperate and help others. Okay, हमें बाकियों की भी मदद करनी है. We should cooperate and help our neighbors and friends. So from these all points, you can write any 5-6 points. Okay, you can write any of the points from these all given points. Yes, next question is there. Which one of the following places is likely to be affected by the cyclone? Okay, so just see Chennai, Mangalore, Amritsar, and Puri. So which cannot be which cannot be affected by the cyclone? So the place where the seashore is not there. So Amritsar. From these four options, we can say yes, Amritsar. It cannot be affected by the cyclone. Yes. Next question. Just see. Which of the following statement given below is correct? So just see what the options are there. In winters, the wind flow from land to ocean. Yes, this one is correct. Next, in summer, the wind flow from land to the ocean. So it is false because in summer, it is from ocean to land. Okay, so from all these four options, what we are finding that the first option is the correct one. Because if you are seeing the next option, the cyclone is formed by a very high pressure system with a very high speed revolving around it. So it is also false because if high speed is there, then the pressure is low. Coastline, it is vulnerable to the cyclone. Okay, so cyclone may be there. So fourth option is also not correct. So only first option is correct. So this is all related to our chapter, that is wind, storms, and cyclones. So just complete your work with the help of this video.